Term is nothing but A, that is A only, and common difference is A2 minus A1. A2 is 2A minus A. So the D also A. 3 is 3A and A2 is 2A. 3 minus 2 is 1A as it is. D is same. It forms an AP plus 4D. So A also A, 4 and D also A. A plus 4A is 5A. Clear? A plus 5D. A plus 5 into A. So that is 6A. A7 is A plus 6D. A plus 6A. So that means 7A. The three term we find out because it belongs to an AP.